Munch, 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 rest. Munch, 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 rest. Hey there, it's Ruth, the violin teacher with the Bowhold Munch. This is a game that allows you to adjust your thumb pressure while keeping your fingers relaxed and your pinky curve. With an animal like this, I think I'm tickling his belly. I still call it the Bowhold Munch because my smaller students use a foam strawberry and their thumb is just gently munching it. But the game, the name still fits because the song we sing is about snacks, and we make a gentle bow hold with the fingers draping over, the pinky curved, and a bent thumb, and we start to sing. Ready, go. Carrot sticks and apple slices are a tasty snack. Trail mix and yogurt pretzels are a crunchy snack. Grapes and cherries are a juicy snack. What do you think? Which one should I pack? If you like this game, click the link below to download my free mini book of games. See you later.